Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by shutting off both hot and cold water valves and testing the faucet to verify no flow. Next, clear the cabinet and place a bucket and towels to catch drips. This prevents a mess. Use an adjustable or basin wrench to access tight nuts. Once done, disconnect water lines and note supply hose orientations so you can match them later. Take photos if needed. They save time during reassembly and help you avoid cross-connecting hot and cold. You now remove the mounting hardware and separate the faucet from the sink. Start by loosening the mounting nuts with the basin wrench. Work one side at a time and place parts in a container. Then disconnect supply lines and lift the faucet body straight up. Twisting can damage seals. Once free, scrape away old plumber's putty and clean the deck thoroughly so the new faucet seats properly. If you see corrosion, address it before installing the new unit to ensure a watertight seal and longer life. You install the new faucet by applying plumber's putty or using the supplied gasket and positioning the faucet into the deck. Hand start mounting nuts, then tighten them evenly with a wrench to avoid misalignment. Reconnect supply lines, open valves slowly to flush air and debris, and check every joint for leaks. Once water runs clear, test both hot and cold handles and operate the spout. If a leak appears, stop, tighten the specific connection, or reseat the gasket. Tip: use a paper towel to trace time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.